All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this really simple origami heart. This is a really cool way if you wanted to leave your special person a little note, let them know you're thinking about them, just drop it in the shirt pocket, purse, lunchbox, briefcase, somewhere they'll find it. Anyways, this one also has a cool little feature where if you listen closely, you can hear the heartbeat. Looked up, looked up, looked up. All right, let me show you how to make this. Okay, for this model, we're going to take a square sheet of paper and then we're going to fold it in half. So we're going to take this top half, fold this along the bottom edge. And crease that down. And we're going to open this up. And we'll have one line. We're going to now fold this top half this way. So we create a little cross pattern there. All right, we'll open this up. And now you see we have this X or this cross pattern. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take this edge of the paper and then we're gonna fold it along this crease line. So we're going to meet up with that, make sure it's lined up, and crease that down. All right, we're gonna leave that crease, we're gonna flip the paper over. And now what we're gonna do is on this bottom half, where we got these smaller square, we're gonna take this corner and this lower edge and we're going to fold it up along this center crease. So, I take my fingernail, hold that down, line that up against the crease, and then crease it down. And we'll do the same thing to the other side. And crease that down. Now we're going to flip the paper over, like this. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this edge here, and then we're gonna fold it along this center crease. We're gonna go, we'll make sure the top is lined up, and then we will crease that down. We'll do the same thing on this side. So we'll fold this in. Make sure we're lined up and crease that down. All right, now that we have that, what we're gonna do is we're going to take this corner, fold it into this corner, lining up this edge here along with the top part of this triangle. So, we'll crease that down. We'll do the same thing to this side. Take that and crease that down. So this is what it looks like. Now what we're gonna do is we're going to take this and we're gonna fold it down here, but we're not gonna go all the way down to the tip. We're gonna leave a little bit of room. So I'll show you what I mean. We're gonna fold this, and you see how I got just a little bit left. Not super critical. If you get too much, too little, you just want a little bit of room, and I'll show you why. So once you're happy with that, you can go ahead and crease this down. We're just gonna crease the inside though. So we're gonna leave this flap open, just crease down the inside, both sides. And then we're going to lift this up, and then we're gonna take this and we're gonna tuck it into this pocket right here. This is why you don't want to go all the way down, because if you have just a little bit of room, it'll tuck in nicely. Okay? All right. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take these, we're going to open them up, we're going to do a little squash fold, lining up the center crease along itself. And we'll just crease that down. We do both sides. Just like that. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this corner, we're gonna fold it into this corner. So we'll line it up against the bottom edge right here. Just like that. Then we're gonna take this top and we're gonna fold it to the center. We're gonna go right to this fold line here. I'm going to do this down here. Trying to do it so you can see it on camera. There we go. So you see what I did? I just folded this tip right down to that same line. Now we're going to do the same thing on this side. So we'll fold this in. Then we're going to take this tip and fold it along the same line. Crease that down. And here we have the heart. Now, if you wanted to make this more of an action, this pocket, you kind of stick your finger in there and hold the outside. Lift up, lift up, lift up. All right, so that's the end of this tutorial. Let me know what you think, and